Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I would like to share you how to create the summary from the YouTube video instantly with YouLearn AI. How to do that? So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So here I am accessing the YouLearn AI from my Google Chrome in my PC, and you can searching for the YouLearn AI here by typing this keyword, and you can click this YouLearn AI and do the registration or log in with your email. And there will be several questions about what is the purpose and where did you get the information about the YouLearn AI, and just follow the instruction, and after that it will direct you into this homepage of the YouLearn AI. So here by YouLearn AI you can start to create any summary by uploading the PDF or PowerPoint or document, text, even the audio, video, and image. And not only that stuff, because you can start to create any summary by paste or input the YouTube link, website URL, or the another document, archive, audio, video link, and etc. And also you can create the summary from your class recording and also the video call. And for example, I would like to create the summary from the from this YouTube link, and the topic is about why we struggle learning language by Gabriel Weiner. Thank you, Gabriel Weiner. Don't forget to watch this, guys. And I will copy this link by give it the combination of Control and C, or just simply copy it. And I will go back to this YouLearn AI, paste it, and click paste. And instantaneously, this AI will give you the summary of this video. As you can see, there are several chapters that being divided from this video. For example, about the sense and taste and emotion. And you can also see the another chapter of this video until the end, guys. And don't worry, because the every single chapter also including the timestamp. But if you would like to see the transcript, you can click this, guys. And after that, you can simply copy this every single chapter or script into your file, guys. And you can do your summary. And it will help you to, it's like remember anything from the material that being presented in this video. And there are also another tips or the faster tip to create the summary. You can go to this YouTube and put your cursor into the very front of this link on the link bar and type study.lol and give it a slash and enter. And after that, it will direct you instantaneously into this YouLearn AI and also instantaneously give you this summary, guys. So you can choose the first step or this another step. So that's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and don't forget to try this YouLearn AI. And for the additional information that this YouLearn AI for the new user, they will give you 3 times or 3 chances to change your or create the summary from the YouTube or in another platform. But if you would like to upgrade it, and you can go to this upgrade and purchase their package, and they will also give you the several benefits. And if you would like to give the feedback or any request or even the suggestion about the another AI that can do same, please don't worry guys to put it on a comment down below because we would love to share comments there and make the video in another version. And if you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.